Question number 1. What is the duration of monsoon in India? The right answer is option A, 100 to 120 days. Question number 2. Which state in India was the most transformed by the Green Revolution? The right answer is option C, Punjab. Question number 3. Which of the following forts was developed as a satellite fort to relieve the pressure at the Mumbai port? The right answer is option D, Jawaharlal Nehru Fort. Question number 4. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 1 of the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option C, India that is Bharat shall be a union of states. Question number 5. Who holds the record for the longest long jump in India as of 2023? The right answer is option C, Jaswin Aldrin. Question number 6. The term blue line is associated with which of the following games? The right answer is option A, ice hockey. Question number 7. India finished on which position in the overall medals tally at the Commonwealth Games 2022? The right answer is option B, 4th. Question number 8. Article 52 to 78 and Part 5 of the Indian Constitution deal with. The right answer is option D, Union Executive. Question number 9. What is the position of India in the world's telecommunication market as of March 2024? The right answer is option B, 2nd. Question number 10. The National Youth Policy was launched in. The right answer is option B, 2014. Question number 11. Ali Akbar Khan is known for playing the. The right answer is option D, Sarut. Question number 12. In which year was Ujala Yojana launched? The right answer is option D, 2015. Question number 13. The concept of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of. The right answer is option D, the USA. Question number 14. The permanent settlement came into operation in which of the following years? The right answer is option A, 1793. Question number 15. Which part of the Constitution deals with the panchayats? The right answer is option C, part 9. Question number 16. Which of the following battles was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga in 1527? The right answer is option C, Battle of Khanwa. Question number 17. Which part of a mountain receives the most rainfall from moisture-laden winds? The right answer is option D, Windward site. Question number 18. How many athletes were selected to represent India at the 1924 Paris Summer Olympics? The right answer is option C, 8. Question number 19. Where was the first successful textile mill established in India? The right answer is option D, Mumbai. Question number 20. Which of the following rivers originate from the Himalayas? The right answer is option A, Ganga. Question number 21. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Election Commission? The right answer is option B, Part 15. Question number 22. Which of the following is an example of an eastern coast port? The right answer is option D, Chennai port. Question number 23. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the Parliament and its proceeding? The right answer is option D, Article 79 to 122. Question number 24. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for protecting and improving the environment and safeguarding forests and wildlife? The right answer is option A, Article 48A. Question number 25. What is the primary objective of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act of 2006 in India? The right answer is option D, to promote and facilitate the development of MSMEs. Question number 26. Which committee identified the existence of legal provisions for implementation of some of the fundamental duties? The right answer is option B, Justice Verma Committee. Question number 26. The final match of IPL 2023 was hosted by which of the following cities? The right answer is option D, Ahmedabad. Question number 28. Which among the following famous badminton player won the Swiss Open 2022? The right answer is option A, PV Sindhu. Question number 29. The Kuchipudi dance belongs to which of the following states? The right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 30. What was India's annual exponential growth rate as per 2011 census? The right answer is option A, 1.64%. Question number 31. Which of the following districts of India is an example of an industrial district? The right answer is option D, Kota. Question number 32. The non-cooperation movement was called up after which of the following incidents? The right answer is option D, Churi Chora incident. Question number 33. Which of the following terms is related to football? The right answer is option B, bicycle kick. Question number 34. Which of the following countries will host the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup in the year 2031? The right answer is option A, India, Bangladesh. Question number 35. What is the primary benefit offered to businesses in special economic zones? The right answer is option A, tax and duty cessation. Question number 36. Who is considered the highest law officer of the state in India? The right answer is option A, Advocate General. Question number 37. Classical sarod player Amjad Ali Khan was awarded in 2001 by the Government of India. The right answer is option C, Padma Vibhushan. Question number 38. Which article deals with the election of the president? The right answer is option B, Article 54. Question number 39. Who is called the father of local self-government in India? The right answer is option C, Lord Ripon. Question number 40. When was the All India Trade Union Congress established? The right answer is option D, 1920.